Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a healthy day, a good day, because the thing at least just went sideways. And I get it, that can sound pretty rough, and it is relatively rough, but you have to keep in mind the context of things. And the context of things is this thing has been getting just absolutely destroyed to the downside. So for this to just simply go sideways today, not a guarantee of anything, but it's a step in the right direction. It suggests that maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have that, yeah, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's forming, but that's what brings about and keeps that level right there at 27 so important, and I've talked about that in the previous video I did on Friday. But $27, like I said, if this is the bottom, well, then the last thing you would want to see the price do is all of a sudden go back to these lows. And that's what that level is representing, because if the price can stay above 27, that does represent, a sign of progress. And that's what truly bullish moves are going to do, right? They're going to start to show signs of progress, or they're going to at least go sideways. Whereas if the price blasts down through there and goes back to where it was, down around there, that's not exactly showing any sort of a sign of progress at all. So like I said, maybe, Clay, you're setting the bar kind of low. I mean, all it's got to do is just go sideways. And I agree, the bar has been set very low. But you have to keep in mind that given the context of how bad this thing's been beaten down, yeah, just simply going sideways is, as maybe pathetic as it seems, a good sign. It's at least a breath of fresh air that maybe this sideways movement or this is going to lead to something bigger to the upside. And if it is going to lead to something bigger to the upside, well, then these areas of resistance still pertain right there, that first red line at $31.50. And then the next level up there, that second red line at the $34 mark. So yeah, maybe, just maybe, this is some sort of bottom that's forming, but let's see if the price can continue to hold above that $27 mark or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.